how to make Mermaid in Infinity Craft. So let's get started. First off, we will add earth plus wind, and we will have dust. Dust plus earth, we will have planet. Planet plus fire, we will have sun. Sun plus fire, we will have solar. Solar plus planet, we will have system. Let's put it away. Water plus water, I mean double water, we have lake. Double lake right now, we have ocean. Earth plus water, we have plant. Plant plus lake, we have lily. And lily plus ocean, we have mermaid. So that is the video, guys. Hope that video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.